Good morning. I just got back from court and I was kind of thinking on the way back to the office about there's several things that I saw just this morning that I think would probably be helpful to both lawyers and to people that are trying to handle a little simple traffic ticket on their own as things kind of get back going after the coronavirus shutdown. One, make sure that you are calling the court ahead of time to make sure your case is actually on the calendar. 2 times this week, I showed up to a courthouse with other people. And my case had actually been reset before I got there. That's what happened this morning. And if I had just picked up the phone and confirmed that we were actually on the calendar or not on the calendar, then it would have saved me a trip. So that'll save you a lot of frustration if you'll go ahead and do that. Two, make sure that whenever you go in there, if your case is reset and you don't know ahead of time, make sure that you're kind and respectful to the prosecutor. They're almost certainly going to be the person that you have to deal with in wrapping up the case. Don't go in there and show a fit because quite honestly, it's not going to help you in any way, shape, or form to do that. So if your case is reset because you didn't know about it or something else, or there was a backlog where they're trying to catch back up on their cases, don't show any real emotion in terms of being upset. Just be respectful of them. You understand it's a difficult time, that sort of thing. So be kind. That will almost certainly go a long way in helping you get a good resolution if you got a relatively simple case that you're just trying to wrap up. Three, make sure that you're aware of, and I'll do another video on this, make sure you're aware if you're intending to move the case up for a state court jury trial. So let's say, for example, that you're in a probate court or in a municipal court. Make sure that you know whether or not the prosecutor who's there will also be prosecuting your case in that higher court, in the jury trial court. The reason why I say that is because you need to know, hey, am I just going to go up there and have to negotiate with the same person that I'm dealing with here? And is there a strategic reason why it is that I would want to move it up there as opposed to resolve it in the court where it's currently pending? That's a really important decision and one that can be honestly pretty difficult for a lot of us to make. That's a calculus that you need to look at really a lot of different variables in making that decision. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you have a great weekend. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them below. Thank you.